Hello, today we'll be making a turkey club wrap. We will start with 5 strips of bacon and we'll put this on a baking sheet and cook this at 375 degrees for about 20 minutes or until crispy. Here you have some delicious bacon crisping up in the oven. I personally like my bacon extra crispy, so it should look a little something like this. For this wrap, we're going to use a half an avocado. And once again, if you like what you're seeing, please subscribe and hit the notification button so you don't miss out on any new videos. Thank you. And we're going to cut this avocado into pretty thick strips, about a half an inch. We will cut a few cherry tomatoes in half. You can use any tomato you like. I personally like cherry tomatoes because they're sweet and they go with this wrap. Today I'm using a chili tomato wrap, but you can use any wrap you like, or you could also use lavash. Now I'm going to spoon on about 2 to 3 tablespoons of ranch dressing. It may seem like a lot of dressing, but there's going to be a lot of toppings and it will be completely dry if you don't put enough. Now it's turkey time. I'm using about a 1/4 pound of sliced turkey breast. Okay, so I'm going to put 3 thick slices of extra sharp cheddar, and you could use different cheese if you like. I just feel that this goes best with the turkey club wrap. Now we will put 2 leaves of lettuce. Now we will add some cherry tomatoes. You can add as many as you like or as little as you like. Okay, we will add 3 slabs of bacon now. Okay, we're now going to roll the wrap. I'm going to do just open ends. You could close the ends, but there's so many ingredients in this particular wrap, I am just going to do it open-ended. And make sure to roll it as tight as you possibly can. Now just cut it down the center. You can cut it at an angle if you like, and enjoy. If you like this video, be sure to click on the link at the end and you can watch more videos from Apartment Cookery. Thanks for watching and have a great day.